Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 delicious ice creams, or some would call them nice creams that don't have any added sugar, dairy, or cream. This is the perfect summer treat to cool you down. It's creamy, it's rich, it's delicious, and it only takes minimal ingredients. I'm going to show you how I do it today with the Cannoli 09. I love this juicer slash sorbet maker. You guys are going to absolutely love these recipes. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I have some bananas here. They are at the perfect ripeness for me to use. I like using bananas for some of these recipes because they are very creamy. However, I know not everyone is a banana lover, so I will be showing you flavors that do not include banana. I am going to chop the bananas really thinly and then freeze them. I feel like sometimes the ones you get in the frozen section, it's like y'all chopped them up green. You know what I'm saying? Like the bananas wasn't even ripe when y'all froze them sometimes. So I do like to freeze the bananas myself, but you will see that I'll get the other fruit already frozen. I'm going to lay them down on some wax paper and freeze them for a couple of hours. Now, technically, you're not supposed to be double layering like this, but y'all know sometimes you know what you're supposed to do, and then you know what you're going to do today. Okay, so this is going to work today. Alrighty. I'm going to assemble my Cannoli 09 just to show you how easy it is to put this together. I'm using the sorbet strainer, and that is going to give super creamy, nice cream. Some people like to make this with a blender, but you often have to add milk and it's not going to be as firm. But with the Cannoli 09, you don't need to use any of that. If you want a juicer that is powerful, affordable, and easy to use and clean, then you need to click the link in the description box for the Cannoli 09 and use code Kamira15 for 15% off. Y'all know most of these juicers that can do these functions cost over $600, but the Cannoli is coming in at less than half of the price. You literally cannot beat that, and this machine has a motor powerful enough to last for over 10 years. Now, at this point, my banana is ready, so I'm just going to pop it off the wax paper. It should come off fairly easy, but anything you can't get off should easily be able to pop off with a butter knife. I am going to start off by doing a chunky monkey flavor. Y'all, this one is so good and is sure to be a winner with all the kids. I am going to just drop in a few slices of the banana at a time, and instantly you are going to see a nice creamy stream of ice cream coming down. If this does not look just like soft serve ice cream, I don't know what does. I'm going to be processing about 3 bananas, but of course you just do as much as you want. If you only want to do the fruit, you can stop there. Okay, you can make this one ingredient and just do banana, but literally, why not? Let's just step it up. So I'm going to add peanut butter. I'm going to add some pecans, but peanuts is fine. I also chopped up some 85% dark chocolate, and I'll be putting in a little bit of cocoa later, and I'm going to mash this together until it gets that chunky monkey flavoring. With the bananas, this is sweet enough for me. I don't feel like it needs anything else. Y'all, this one is so good. It's so refreshing. And I'm just going to show you how thick it is. Y'all, this is thick with 2 C's. Thick enough to be scooped by an ice cream scooper. So y'all, this one is a winner. Now, if you are not a banana lover or you just want something a little different, I'm going to show you how I do a berries or kind of berries and cream flavor. So first, I'm going to start off putting in some frozen strawberries. Do about 1 or 2 strawberries at a time. And then I'm going to start blending in a few blueberries. This is quickly going to process, and you're going to see a nice steady stream of nice cream come down. Now, right now, it may not look like it's super creamy, but y'all just wait. When I start to mix this together, you're going to see that this is beautifully creamy. Now, to give it that little bit of like berries and cream touch, I'm just going to put in a couple of drops of this vanilla cream stevia. This is not refined sugar, but it does taste really good. I'm also going to use juice of half of a lemon, but juice of half a lime is just fine too. Look at how creamy this is and delicious. This berries and cream, nice cream is literally one of my faves. I actually ate this with a little bit of my breakfast because y'all, it's just creamy, delicious fruits, thick and good. This last one is going to just get you in the total mood for summer. We're doing a tropical blast flavor with some mixed tropical fruits. I'm talking pineapple, papaya, mango. There's even frozen coconut inside of this bag. And I'm going to just alternate adding it with the frozen banana. If anything gets stuck, all I have to do is reverse the cannoli 09 and instantly it just backs everything up, and then I can keep on working and it fixes it. Now look at this beautiful stream of nice cream. This is thick, this is creamy and sweet. I just love the colorful ribbons, but I'm going to step up the flavor. Because y'all know how I am. I just can't do plain. I'm going to go in with the juice of a lime, some coconut, and a few drops of that vanilla cream. Once you swirl this in, you are going to have a delicious tropical ice cream substitute that everybody is going to fight for, y'all. I want you all to tell me in the comments which one of these flavors you are going to try first, and also what are other types of ice cream that you would make. Like, what are some of your favorite fruit combos? Because as I'm doing this, I feel like I'm getting so many ideas. You could do, a pineapple dream or just so many other flavors. It's so easy and so entirely healthy. I'm also going to show you guys the juicing power of the cannoli 09 because of course this is a juicer. Now y'all, I love a nice watermelon, and as you can see, I can just load up all the watermelon all the way to the top, and then I can just turn on the juicer and then the cannoli 09 gets straight to business. Okay, I don't have to really watch it. It just works on its own. The juice is very filtered and pure. It's healthy because this is a slow juicer, and this watermelon juice is delicious. So if you want to use the cannoli 09 as a juicer or to make a nice cream or sorbet, go ahead and click the link in the description and use code Kamira15 for 15% off. One of the main things that kept me from getting a juicer for so long is because I thought they were going to be so hard to clean. But the cannoli 09 just has a little plug at the bottom you can pull, and then once I go in here with a lot of hot water, it is clean literally within 2 to 3 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try these recipes, and I'll see you next time in Kamira's Kitchen. Goodbye.